Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of Ethereum, one of the most exciting and revolutionary technologies out there. First things first, what is Ethereum? In simple terms, Ethereum is a decentralized, open-source blockchain platform. Bitcoin is often referred to as digital gold. It's mainly a store of value. Ethereum, on the other hand, is designed to be a platform for decentralized applications, or DApps. Ethereum's blockchain, like Bitcoin's, is a digital ledger. But what makes it unique is the capability to store and execute code, known as smart contracts. To interact with these smart contracts, users need Ether, the currency of the Ethereum network. Ethereum powers thousands of applications that are transforming industries. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, lets people lend, borrow, and earn interest on digital assets. Now, Ethereum is evolving. Ethereum 2.0 is the network's major upgrade, designed to make it faster, more scalable, and environmentally friendly. So, why does all this matter? Ethereum is paving the way for a future where we control our assets, our data, and our agreements. Thanks for joining us. If you want to learn more about Ethereum, smart contracts, or the blockchain world, don't forget to like and subscribe.